There's no way for them to know we're here. Let's go.
Okay, ready? Can everybody wave? Thank you very much for coming, everybody, today. This is our first annual Customer Appreciation Movie Day, and we can't do our business without you guys, so we really appreciate you taking time out of your Saturday morning to come to a movie and eating popcorn and pop on 10 o'clock on a Saturday morning. It's kind of freaky, right? You're the backbone of our business, so we really appreciate you, like I say, taking the day out to come to us. But I just want to thank you guys for coming and give you guys a hand for helping us out.